Welcome to KidsKod. Today, we'll explore the amazing world of Python. Let's go!
Let's code with Python, it's time to play. We'll learn and create in a fun new way. From games to robots, websites too, Python makes magic just for you.
Python is not a scary snake, it's a programming language. It's like talking to a computer and teaching it to do cool things. Python is super cool because it's easy to learn and powerful. You can use it to make games, build websites, and even teach robots how to move.
A game to play or an art to share, Python's got power everywhere. Python, coding is fun. With just a few lines, you're on the run. Print out the magic, see it come to life. Code with Python, let's start the strife.
Did you know Python got its name from a funny TV show called Monty Python's Flying Circus? It's about having fun while learning something cool. This is what Python code looks like. It's simple and easy to read, like giving the computer instructions. Example code displayed, print, hello, KidsKod. When you type this, the computer says, hello, KidsKod. Try it, it's fun.
Write some code, hit run and see. What can we make? Oh, so many things, you'll agree. A game to play or an art to share, Python's got power everywhere.
Python can help you create animations, solve puzzles, and even design your own apps. The only limit is your imagination. Learning Python is like being a coding superhero. You'll learn to solve problems, be creative, and build amazing things. So, are you ready to learn Python and become a coding champ? Subscribe to KidsKod and join the adventure. Let's code together.
Let's end the strife. So let's code with Python.